Hello, here's something interesting. What is most important in finance today? Money, knowledge, luck, or something else? For a long time, it was believed that money was the ultimate goal, that it was the measure of success, security, and freedom. In reality, money is just a consequence of decisions, time, knowledge, information, and the ability to react or not react at the right moment. Today, in the digital economy, the question is no longer who has the money, but who understands the system in which money is created, lost, and redistributed. The world of finance has changed, not gradually, but radically. Markets no longer react to the slow cycles of the industrial economy, but to the speed of information. Capital doesn't wait for a factory, doesn't wait for a report, doesn't wait for the end of the year. Capital reacts in seconds, and those who don't have information on time pay the price. In such a world, the most crucial question is, what truly brings financial advantage today? Many will say knowledge, others will say luck, a third group will say initial capital. But the truth is more uncomfortable and deeper. Crucial is the combination of knowledge, information at the right moment, and the ability to think long-term in a world that pushes you toward short-term reactions. Money itself no longer means anything if you don't know how. Thanks for watching. Share with friends.